We're here at Waitangi and it's gorgeous already. And it ain't nothing without the behind the scenes stuff. And I just love getting to the back page to see what's really going on. The good old hapai oi. They've got it going on. Yeah. She coming through. Well, look at this, eh? Yeah. First of all, she's too pretty for the north. Not happening. Hey, we want that auntie with the one tooth, eh? What's happening here?
Here today we're just making sure cars that go through are residents only.
Have you come across anyone that's not listening?
All the time, every day.
I'll be that person. Okay. Oh, no. I want to come through. Are you a resident? No. I'm Māori. What do you say to that?
Cheers, still sorry, no.
Cheers, still sorry, no. Get out of here. Unbelievable. Already people are getting groundings. But you know what the wonderful thing is? Hello. Hey, don't leave me. Talk to me. Parakore, Mekaere, what's happening, man?
Just basically assisting people and putting their rubbish and recyclables and compost in the right place.
What do you want to see at Waitangi? What do you want to see happen other than putting your rubbish in the bin?
Just our people, not just our people, but all the people of Aotearoa to come together as one, eh?
Love your work. Parakore, 101. Kia ora.
What's going on here?
The maramoto hake is
I love it.
custom loaded fries, so it's custom, it's special. It's not just a straight pile of fries.
Oh, it's special, all right.
Yeah, it is special because it's got chips, it's got our selection of 4 cheeses, it's got smashed patty.
Are we going to be able to sit up and hear the kōreros at in the forum tent after that kai?
If you fall asleep, at least you'll have an excuse.
Look at that. It's like a wind chime. So anyway, we're going to head across the bridge because this place is going to be packed all day today. Kia ora e hoa. Oh, look at this kazi, eh? Got the hunting and fishing going on, eh? Ooh, kia ora you. What does Waitangi look like for you?
Beautiful, especially after I've mowed the lawns.
How about mowing the wehi? What do you need to make the job better?
Good attitude.
You only saying that because Nan's watching. Cut it out. You're a smart aleck. They all talk about you. What do you love about Waitangi?
It's big, plenty happening, always something happening.
Yeah.
Got to be organised.
You've been doing it for 16 years, you're going to do it for another 16?
Don't think so.
Come on, Barry. Live and die in LA.